Get a grip with these quick functional exercises designed to improve your hand and grip strength. Only 5 minutes, 5 days a week to a stronger grip. Let's get started.
Today, we will be working our grip strength. For these exercises, you will need one yoga block, a light weight, and a medium-sized rubber band. Let's get started. Begin by tapping one finger to your thumb, alternating. So just going one finger at a time, we're going to warm up those fingers before we get the rest of the hands moving. And you can take this as fast or as slow as you need to. Just a few more. While you're working these finger taps, be sure you check your posture. You should be seated up on your sit bones towards the edge of a chair, your abdominals engaged to help support your spine, and a nice, tall, pretty posture. Just a few more here. And shake those hands out. Grab your rubber band. You're going to take the rubber band around your fingers and begin to open and close against that rubber band. You think of it like a resistance band for your hand. You're trying to stretch the palm open and let it come closed. Go through this as quickly or as slowly as what feels good to you, but try and work that full stretch to open and close. Take it to the other hand and begin to open and close. Again, just taking your time here, what works best for you. Just a few more. And take that rubber band off your hands. Feel free to give them another shake if you need to. Now we're going to pick up that weight. This weight should be 1 or 2 pounds, very light, and if this is too heavy for you, it is fine to do this without a weight. You will place your yoga block on the floor, flat, and bring your right foot to rest on that block. Make sure the knee is over the ankle, and take your weight like a hammer style. Palm is facing inward towards you, and hinge forward from the waist. You can set this opposite hand on your thigh, and you want that wrist to be a few inches over the knee. Keep the core engaged here and begin to lower and lift into a side-to-side movement here with the weight. Make these really small, and again, if the weight bothers you, just hold a fist and take these movements without weight. You might feel a little bit of shaking here, that's okay. Now turn the palm towards the ceiling. You can maintain this posture, and now take this into a little curl, dropping the weight towards the floor and curling it in. Just like you would do a bicep curl, only you're working that here in the wrist. Be careful here to not overextend or overflex. Just a few more here. Bring it to a neutral position and flip the palm. You may have to rotate the arm slightly inward. Now the palm is towards the floor. We're going to take that same movement with the palm facing the floor. Again, just working the range that feels comfortable for you. Should never try to force or overextend or overflex. Keep moving through this. 3, 2, 1. And bring it back up. Move your yoga block over to the other foot, getting set up for the other side. Switch the weight to the other hand. Hinge forward. Start with the palm facing in. Engage the abdominals, and then begin to take this back to your lateral flexion, side to side, moving really up and down. Keep checking in with that posture. Sometimes it's hard to remember to keep that core engaged. It's going to help you here. 3, 2, 1. Now flip the palm towards the ceiling and extend and bend just from the wrist. Keep going, you're doing great. 2, 1, and now flip the palm. Again, you may need to rotate the hand inward just a little bit and begin to take this up and down once again. moving within that range that feels best to you. Check in with those abdominals, Stay engaged. It's a lot to think about. 3, 2, 1, and bring it back up. Set that weight back down on the floor, and you can take your foot off of your yoga block. Roll out those wrists, give those arms a shake. Great job. That does it for today. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas or combine them all for a full body workout.